I get out of my car at the La Quinta Inn here in Tallahassee, and there's a woman, and I think it was her daughter, walking dogs outside. So we get in a conversation. She tells me she's from Minnesota. And I tell her, "Oh, I never heard of it. Is it in Canada?" But she proceeds to tell me that they're driving a big Ford truck pulling a fifth wheel travel trailer, huge. And they got that parked over on the side of the hotel. And she says, "Oh yeah, we broke down on the way here, and we had to find a Ford dealer, and I had trouble with my truck, and I was hoping it wasn't a compressor or something. I don't know what they have on it." Anyway, she tells me that when they finished, the Ford dealer finished with her, the bill was $8,000. I told her, I said, "You could have flown to Hawaii for $8,000. But $8,000, that's a year and a half lease payments for me without any repairs because it's under warranty."